Hello, Sanbonani. Today we are doing a fresh cream donut. Let's begin. In a bowl, place warm milk, warm water, yeast, sugar, and stir. Please make sure the water and the milk is not hot. Cover the bowl and set for 5 to 7 minutes. Once the yeast blooms, add an egg, oil, salt, and mix. Sift in flour and knead for about 5 minutes or until the dough comes together. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and measurements. Brush the dough with oil, cover the bowl, and proof for 90 minutes or until the dough doubles. Put the bowl in a warm place. Once the dough doubles, oil your hands with oil and knead for 2 minutes just to release the air. Put the dough on a clean flat surface and roll it like a ball. Divide your dough into 8 or 10 pieces. I have cut 10 pieces from this dough. Roll the pieces of dough into balls, like small balls. Grease your hands with oil and shape the dough into logs shown in the video. Put them on a tray. Cover the rolls and proof for 20 to 25 minutes. Heat the oil, and when it bubbles when a wooden object is put, it means it's ready to fry. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you feel at home. We are frying on medium to low heat. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please press the subscribe button and the notification bell. These rolls take about 4 minutes to cook. Drain the donuts in a paper towel. Let's make the filling. Whisk the cream, icing sugar. Cornstarch is optional, it's for stabilization of the cream. You know, on those hot days when you don't want your cream to melt fast, but if you're eating them immediately, there is no need for adding cornstarch. Once your rolls are cool, cut them lengthwise but not all the way through, and fill with cream. You can either pipe your cream or use a spoon. Fill all the donuts with cream and top with cherries. That's optional to top with cherries. Here I've used canned cherries, or you can use glacé cherries. It's up to you, or whatever is available, is easily available to you. Now let it rain. You may. Dust with icing sugar. That's optional. Please do me this favor. Please press the like button and leave a comment below. Please let me know if you would try this recipe. Let's taste. It's so delicious. Soft, fluffy, and creamy. Enjoy. I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye.